Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying core prerequisites. Make sure TikTok and your device OS are updated to the latest versions. Once done, toggle networks, try Wi-Fi, then mobile data, and briefly enable airplane mode to reset radios. Next, force quit the app and restart your phone, because a fresh session often clears transient service errors. While that runs, clear app cache from settings. This removes stale data that can confuse the service. If you see the error persist, move to targeted network and account checks. You now dig into networking, test TikTok on both cellular and Wi-Fi to isolate where the failure occurs. If Wi-Fi is the issue, change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 on the device or router because DNS problems often block service endpoints. Make sure to disable any VPN or proxy. They can route traffic via blocked regions. Alternatively, try a different VPN location if regional restrictions are possible. Finally, renew the DHCP lease or reboot the router. These steps refresh IP assignments and routing. Finish by focusing on account and app integrity. Log out of TikTok, then log back in to refresh authentication tokens, because corrupted credentials can block service access. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the app, grant required permissions, and confirm your device clock is accurate. Mismatched time can break secure connections. Once reinstalled, test the app. If problems persist, try the critical troubleshooting tip. Sign into another TikTok account or use a different device to determine whether the issue is account-specific or device/network related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.